Hello guys, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video I want to show you how to buy Mini Floki Token on Trustwallet. But before we start, I want to mention that this is not financial advice, it's just video tutorial how to buy this coin. So guys, I'm not financial advisor, and before you decide you want to buy or not, please do your research and after that make the decision. So let's start guys. You can see the chart here, you can see the analytics, statistics. When you look the last 7 days statistics, you see that this coin is up by 39% in last 7 days. So when you see the last 24 hour statistics, you can see that it's up by 62%. So these charts and analytics will help you make the decision. So let's go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free, and after you download, then go through verification. So guys, let's open Trustwallet, and now we need to buy BNB, because to buy Mini Floki Token you need to swap your BNB to it. So first of all, buy BNB on Trustwallet, or you can just receive it from any other crypto markets by going in receive, copy the wallet address and send BNB from any other markets to your Trustwallet account. So after you will have BNB on your account, then you should go back to CoinMarketCap and scroll a little bit down. Here you can see Binance Smart Chain address, which is the contract address. You should click this copy icon and go back to Trustwallet. Click the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Pancakeswap. You should click select currency, paste the contract address here, click import, understand import. You should set slippage tolerance to 15%. And then choose the amount of Mini Floki token you want to buy and then swap your BNB to it. So that's all guys, it's very simple. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.